How to change password on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your password in Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your password on Facebook, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then basically make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, tap the three lines option located at the top right corner. Then just make sure to tap the gear icon, which is the settings cog icon from the top right. Once you're there, what you want to do is simply go to the option known as See More in Account Center. As you go to See More in Account Center, you want to simply go to Password and Security. Once you tap on Password and Security, you'll find the option called Change Password. So when you tap the Change Password option, go ahead and then select Facebook. And when you select Facebook, just make sure to enter your current password. And now you can enter the new password you want to change to, and then tap the Save option from the bottom of the screen. This way you can change password on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.